Foot wine, eh? Foot wine, eh, with your old bricks? I'll give you foot wine on the side of your head. I'll tell you foot wine, eh? Because they're going to the opening of the new school, eh? So it'll be new bricks you'll be wearing and nae one all scuddling things be nae behind them. Would you hear me be black affronted with you wearing these old bricks? Around all the mithers and feathers round about? Well, I'll tell you what you'll be wearing, and it won't be your cousin's cast off.
But Ma, we were playing eighth and now Mitch brought my best bricks and I want him to wear for the Sabbath school.
It's new bricks we'll be wearing, and be nae more about it. You can aye pop a what the lovies after and change out your old bricks. I'll hae nae bearing in mind gone and doing fancy affairs with his drawers kicking out the holes in his bricks.
So that was what happened, and the Healy schooled the Peerloon for the opening. Nae different with the 3 R's this time, but with 3 F's. Fit, fan and foo. Fit to do it, fan to do it, and foo to do it right. And if that wasn't enough, his mother would leave him at home, give him laldy about the new bricks, and knew there was new beats to ging with the new bricks.
And dinna forget to put on your new beats to ging with your new bricks.
But Ma, fit, fit.
It doesn't matter if a beat on a fit and the other one on the other fit.
Ah, I see. The 12 bits are marvellous. There's 8-bit fit, say fit, and the other ends fit, either fit.
The loon was first gone to the hill opening carry on, long afore it had ever happened. There's none here knew if it was at the opening of Walker Road School, but there's still a few around it with scholars there, long sign.
And I loved that school, I really did. That was the one thing I did like. And as I said, Miss Faulkner she was very, very nice. But the headmistress knew. She come up with a strap. I mean, what I had that once. And it went to me. I didn't think how I got into, but it was I made the pictone. Just to be a bad one, you know. And it was anything a bit. What did I think about it? I was really happy days in spite of that, like, you know.
For my first day at school, we got a Mickey Mouse gas mask presented to us. And that was because during the war they used some gas in World War I, and that was they wanted, just in case they used it in World War II, that they were protecting the kids. So we got this gas mask. And I'll never forget, I was a photo in the paper with the whole class, and it said that we were the first class to get Mickey Mouse masks. And then I looked at me, and I says, what a geek, looking at me with big glasses, and well, I just looked awful, and I couldn't stop laughing at the paper.
Walker Road School opened on Monday the 8th of March in 1897 with 596 schoolers, 146 of them infants. By the end of the first week, this had grown to 1,200. By the middle of April, it was another 50. There must have been barns coming out the wide work like flex or tall blanket.
When we come back after the scene, that year there was 935 of us.
The Heady James Cavalier heads the Frederick Street School up with the other teacher at the start. That's their 70 birds. The other 4 teachers came in from Victoria Road School.
A Saturday, about 12 weeks after we had started, the school opened for the mothers and fathers and all sorts of other folk to come and have a kick at what it was like.
That was the opening for the loon. Bricks and bits and he had to talk a head man of the school virgin. It was a reverend professor by the name of Robertson.
The loon had came down at a hell place and he was thinking that he had new bricks, but he wasn't sure the professors was new, so they had ever had an aftershire of them.
The school had been bigot with the fancy bits and pieces that the school board thought was needed, but the thing they hadn't thought was the barns gone up and down the stairs.
That wasn't on a shell called the vents blew down on the teacher's head and they got a 5th cousin flood. In June of that first year was all given a medal for the Queen's 63 on the front. The Lillians got a cross, the Middleburns got a silver medal, and the Muckleans got a guillotine.
In the afternoon, we all troop it out to the playground and the hear tell us all about the Queen and the Empire, and then we sang the national anthem. If you're off sick, they sent your medal home to you.
In 1938, the school had 1,600 pupils in 38 classes and was the biggest school in Scotland. The school closed in 2023 after 126 years of schooling, the Bairns of Torry.
So we're new into another new schoolie. We can only hope there's as many bra bairns to come for it as come for the alley. And they do till see as many changes as the eens at the old place did. Folk have I come to Torry for all hour, and their bairns will I tuck their learning as muckle as they pedantelt. A new school for new generations to come, and fit why nae.
Dlaczego nie? That is fit why nae in Polish.
Why not? That's how you say fit why nae in English. Почему нет? That's how you say fit why nae in Russian. Kadilnya, that is fit why nae in Lithuanian.
Our Torry is just marvellous. It's a wonderful wee place. We have a friendly folk in it, with a big smile on their face. There's just nae other sight and tune that I'd like to come home, and I'm sure there's lots of others like me will feel the same. And as the saying goes, you can take a quine out of Torry, but you cannot take Torry out of the quine.